Start your own online business and achieve financial freedom. Find out how you can make money online and stay safe with our helpful guide. Watch now. Do you have a goal of becoming your own boss, working flexible hours and earning money independently? With the growing possibilities available online, it's never been easier to do just that. From freelancing and stock selling to social media campaigns, e-commerce and service-based gigs, you could be on the path to achieving your dreams with the right skills and a bit of research. Join us as we break down the ins and outs of making money online and ways to stay safe and secure. Let's get started. Start your journey to financial freedom today by subscribing to NetWealth and stay tuned for more helpful tips and insights on how to make money online. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create your wealth and achieve your dreams. Subscribe now. Do you want to make money and pursue an independent career? Online gigs are a great way to do that. From writing and graphic design to data entry, online tutoring and programming, there are so many freelance opportunities available online. Plus, you can often work flexible hours or remotely from anywhere with an internet connection, giving you lots of freedom. And you don't need any experience for many of these jobs, as long as you have the right skills. Plus, you can make a lot of money freelancing, so it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for extra income or a full-time job. But how do you decide which type of gig is best for you? That's the tough question you need to answer when you're looking at all the options out there. Monetizing digital goods is becoming more and more popular and is a great way to make money online. Platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock let you sell stock video footage, photos, illustrations, and audio tracks. The possibilities are endless. To make your content available for sale on these platforms, there are some steps you need to take. Upload quality work with titles and descriptions that stand out. Use keywords to make sure your content shows up in search engine results. And make sure you set the right prices according to usage rights. You should also think about if you need to pay royalties for each purchase and if there are copyright laws you need to follow. Using creative services can help you build your profile and create an ongoing income stream from different sources, turning hobbies into small business opportunities. As monetization strategies are constantly changing, it's important for entrepreneurs to stay up to date so they can get their items featured when people start shopping again after the pandemic. Do you want to start making money from your social media accounts through affiliate marketing? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what strategies you are using or plan to use. If you have the right skills and determination, launching an online e-commerce business is a great way to make money. Popular models like dropshipping or wholesaling let entrepreneurs enter into markets without having to keep inventory on hand. All they need is their own platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce, where customers can purchase goods from them for competitive prices. Getting started in e-commerce doesn't require a lot of money either. Many platforms offer free trials that give newcomers time to figure out how it works before taking things more seriously. Once your store is set up, there are plenty of strategies available when marketing products, which can include social media campaigns, influencer outreach programs, and Google Ads. Just make sure you pick one that fits your budget. With so many opportunities available for online businesses today, navigating these choices may seem overwhelming, but with persistence comes success. So why not ask yourself, what exciting business do I want to create? Are you looking for more ways to make money online? Social media monetization is becoming more and more popular, and there are lots of platforms to choose from. For example, Instagram and YouTube allow content creators to partner with brands, offer product discounts, sell limited edition merchandise, and run ads on their videos. People are attracted to authentic and engaging content, so influencers can be a great way to drive sales. Advertisers also want more reach than organic traffic can offer, so they turn to sponsored posts and promotional strategies like giveaways. Amazon has even launched its own influencer program, and many other social networks have features that let you create paid campaigns using your existing fan base. It's like affiliate links, but with specific targeting for existing communities. So why not ask yourself, how can I use my voice and presence in social media communities to make money today? Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money from your social media accounts. You can earn money by promoting products or services from other companies and getting a commission when someone you refer makes a purchase. It's important to do your research first to make sure you're promoting the right products to your followers so they actually buy something. This will help you make sure you have a steady stream of income. When launching an affiliate campaign, make sure you create content that is engaging and includes attractive images. This will help get people's attention quickly. You should also focus on building relationships with brands that match up with topics relevant to your audience. This will help build trust between them and the products or services you're recommending, which will lead to more sales conversions for you. Affiliate marketing can be cost-effective too, since many affiliates won't charge fees until certain benchmarks have been achieved. This makes it easier to budget for campaigns, and you can have peace of mind knowing that you may make extra profits if everything goes better than expected. So why not ask yourself, what strategies can I use today to enhance my ability to successfully incorporate effective performance metrics into my affiliate efforts? Do you want to start making money for your social media accounts through affiliate marketing? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let Let us know what strategies you are using or plan to use. When it comes to making money online, service-based gigs can be a great way to go. This type of work involves offering services to clients directly or through platforms that connect people with specific skills and goals. For example, freelance writing is one popular field where you can offer your expertise in exchange for money. Other options include web design and development, virtual assistant tasks, social media management projects, and more. No matter what kind of skill set you have, there's probably something out there for you. You'll want to make sure the working environment gives you freedom as well as good pay, since most clients are paying either per hour or per project milestones. However, this will vary depending on their needs and preferences, so it's important to have good communication between yourself and the employer when setting expectations around timeframes or budgets. Plus, if client satisfaction is important, make sure to maintain top-notch customer service without compromising quality during any job responsibilities you take on. This is because great ratings and evaluations mean a higher chance of getting continuous business and future engagements, thus maximizing the profits you can earn over a sustained period. This can help you progress in your career and grow in the industry in a successful and efficient manner. It's important to have a shared mindset and consultative nature when it comes to the partnership between you and the client, so that it can transition seamlessly and be integrated in a cohesive way. Utilizing the resources available, you can identify and apply the relevant ideas and perspectives to the parameters requested, resulting in rewarded remunerations and returns on your investment. This is definitely worth considering for further exploration. Do you think service-based gigs can generate income in different fields? It's important to do your research before taking on any service-based gig. There are a lot of scams out there, so make sure to double-check job postings and payment structures. Reach out for more information if needed. Wherever possible, work with trusted agencies or platforms that have safeguards in place against potential scammers. Look into user reviews when available, as they can provide valuable insight about the quality of services provided by employers or businesses. Additionally, never accept an offer without reading through all the details outlined at the start. This includes going over project brief requirements, agreement fees, hourly rates, completion milestones, and revising proposals. Taking these precautions will reduce risks and maximize profits. Safety should always come first, so be sure to inspect everything before signing off. If you find yourself in a situation where you're exposed to scams multiple times, what measures can you take? Firstly, always keep copies of contracts in case you need to consult legal specialists about any misinterpretation or misleading information given by the employer. Can entrepreneurs manage these risks and still create successful businesses online? Online gigs offer a great way to make money and pursue an independent career. There are many freelance opportunities available online, such as writing, graphic design, data entry, online tutoring, programming, stock video footage, photos, illustrations, and audio tracks. You can also launch an online e-commerce business using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and use marketing strategies like social media campaigns, influencer outreach programs, and Google Ads. Alternatively, you can make money from social media by partnering with brands, offering product discounts, selling merchandise, and running ads. You can also make money through affiliate marketing by promoting products and services from other companies. With the right skills and determination, you can create successful businesses online. Are you ready to make money online with affiliate marketing? Don't miss out on the ultimate guide to mastering the art of affiliate marketing. Watch the next video to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing and start your own successful business today.